So what are you all looking for out of the class workshop this time?
Yeah, for us it's very new to be here. We haven't attended before, but we met Florian a couple of weeks ago, and we just spontaneously said that's the right thing for us. We love to sing, we like to play instruments and music, and we wanted to have something for us as a family.
The whole family.
Yeah.
It's maybe difficult to find the right words for it. Yeah. Somehow connected. Yeah, just sort of connected. I think this is being a part of a bigger thing, of being a part of something bigger, and at the same time, I think it multiplies the amount of energy and the amount of emotions that are already in the room.
Good.